Hi, this is Kim Schmutzler, Director of SEO and Content Marketing at Effect Web Agency. Today we're going to look at how to use the Google AdWords Keyword Planner as a tool for finding relevant and high-volume keywords for your SEO campaign. After you have logged into the Keyword Planner, the first thing you will want to do is to gather keyword ideas. Click on Find New Keywords. Here, you can enter the URL of one of your landing pages, or you can paste one of your seed keywords. Seed words are the keywords that you think people will use to search for you on the internet. To demonstrate, I am going to find keywords for a fictitious pet supply store. This company has a landing page for dog food that I want to optimize. I am going to enter their seed keyword for that page, dog food. In this case, over 1,100 keyword suggestions were generated. That can be a bit overwhelming, so let's look at how to find the most relevant, high-volume, low-competition keywords. First, we want to turn on the location filter. Go to Location in the upper left corner of the screen and click on the pencil so you can edit. The default country is likely the one where you are located, but we can narrow or broaden that area for better results. For this example, I'm going to target Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm going to enter the city and state and find it in the drop box. Click on it and then remove the default location. You can also change the language if it's more appropriate to use another. For now, we will leave it set for English. Next, we want to narrow the scope of our list. Go to Broadly Related Ideas and change it to Closely Related Ideas. This will exclude any keyword phrases that don't contain the words from our seed keyword. Another way to narrow the list is to create a list of negative keywords. Let's say you sell playground equipment. The seed keyword swing will return results that are applicable for your company, but it will also return results relevant to swing dancing. In this case, we would want to exclude any keywords with dance because they just wouldn't apply. In the case of our pet store, we're going to exclude any keywords that have to do with human food because that is not relevant to the products that they carry nor their competitors. To do this, you would click on the filter icon in the upper right and then on keyword text. Because we are excluding words, select Does Not Contain. Then we will input the keyword that we wish for it to ignore. You may enter as many of these as you like. We also have the option of filtering out keywords based on competition level. You may want to target search strings that your competitors have not. In the case of our dog store, I'm going to filter out the high competition keywords and focus on those that are classified as low or medium. Once again, click on your filter icon. Choose competition and then select the ones you would like to see. My list is now more manageable. You'll see that we've now taken it from 1,100 to 500 keywords. The next step is to download the keywords and sort them according to traffic. Click on Download Keyword Ideas. The steps we just went through were for a single seed keyword. You will need to repeat this process for all your seed keywords. Our next video will explain how to sort the information you downloaded and use it to find the primary keywords and 5 to 6 related words for each of your landing pages.